Okay, this will be the last part of the project. Okay, let's do the closets. Right. Okay, so what we will do now, we will add closets. Okay, 3 water closets. Okay, and this, we'll consider this as another water closet. System fixtures, do they have a closet? Sorry, yes, they have a wall mounted, so but wall is here, they need the wall, isn't it? So let's go and load the family. Floor mounted, let's say floor mounted. Okay, okay, just keep it like this, don't take attention, just keep it funny. Keep here 1 1 1 and 1. Okay, why I kept it in the side, I think you know why I do it, isn't it? No, this guy is not so fun. Okay, okay, perfect. Now, yeah. Now what we will do, we are going 110 millimeter 110 millimeter pipe, drain DWV going down. Sure, slab down 1%. Just draw one like this. The thing is, here it's important, you need to do the offset. How much we said? I don't remember. I think 75 centimeter we said. Okay. What I should have done is just make this pipe big. Okay. Oops, I did multiple, that's why. Done. Okay, we will have to do connection for that. Okay, we will keep that later, we can align later. Now we need just to do connection. You know, if we were smart, we just bring this guy like this, we can see all of those closets. We have one more? No. Done. Now what we must do? We must do a P-trap. Yeah, not P-trap. What is it? Y. Isn't it? This to Y we need to connect it. Don't worry. Create similar. Not create similar. We need to. Yeah, we need to create. 1 minute. Listen. Any comments? No. Isn't it? We can do Y. One second. Don't take tension. See. No, we have to go up. You know what I'm thinking, huh? Yes. Done? Excellent. Excellent. This is some other pipe for the other one. Okay. What is this pipe? Yeah, it was for this guy. If I delete it, this gets gone. Okay. I hope this is clear now, and this will go down. Okay, we need to create vent pipes. Okay. Anyway, is this clear? Okay, we can tell now officially our project is completed, isn't it? We can do the similar thing. You can do the remaining ones similarly. Just do the shift. Perfect, isn't it? Okay. So if you want, we'll do something like this. Okay. Can we say this is the project which we did? Okay, we have to complete. You'll have to complete the remaining ones, but this is the whole story, isn't it? Let's zoom if you want. Click one of them and orbit. Okay. Hope you. What is this extra pipe? We see the swine. Ah, he put plug here. Okay. We not have so much wasted, but you get the picture, isn't it? Okay. Anyway, I hope today's class you enjoyed. We did the whole project. This is, you need to continue remaining. What is this? Remaining system. Okay. The same story. In 5 minutes, you will be able to do everything, isn't it? It's the same thing. Copy paste everywhere, and then go down. If you can do this, you can do this, isn't it? It's the same thing other side. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I hope today's class you enjoyed. Okay. And I think that's it. Okay. Take care and bye.